Dear all, hi, this is Dr. Hamad. In today's video tutorial, we will learn how to make surface plot as you can see on the screen for a biodiesel or any other data using R software. So you can see we have different types of surface plots and we want to make such type of surface plots using R. So in some research papers or good journals, they need such type of figures, especially when we perform RSM method for optimization of biodiesel yield. So we need to represent our results with the help of such type of figures, means surface plots. We draw surface plots or we need surface plots to explain our results, because surface plots shows results uh, in three dimension 3D structure, and they give us or represent our results very beautifully and technically, and the figures don't need much explanation in text. So that's why we use the general demands surface plots for results, like using RSM method for biodiesel. So we use such types of surface plots. Now in today video lecture or tutorial video, we will learn how to draw such types of figures for RSM method or for our study to make our results or paper more attractive. So you can see that these are the figures which I have generated for this data. Uh, I perform the experiments and I take the data and arrange the results in this form. So first we need all of our data in such form, like oil-to-methanol ratio, catalyst, uh, dosage, and similarly reaction time, reaction temperature, and then a respective yield of biodiesel. So we performed 27 different types of experiments uh, in this research work, and we get biodiesel yield of a different percentage. So you have to organize your data in such form. Then in the next step, we have to write a script for R, which we write in this form as you can see on the screen. Uh, I have already prepared the script to paste it readily into my R and to generate figure, because writing this script during the video takes too much time, and we have to make the figure or generate the figure in less time. So I have write it already prepared it for myself for easy use. So this is the script, and I will provide the script in the comment section for your guidance or you help or for future use. So I will copy it from here, Control A and Control C. Then I will paste it in the R. I'm using basically the R Studio. So R Studio is a little bit easy in use, So I will paste the script in the studio, and then after pasting it, I will click the enter button. Now they are loading required packages, as you can see on the screen, and after that it will generate a figure similar to these types. Let's see, did it generated the figure? So we will go to the documents, and in the documents section you can see the after pasting the script for the data shown to you to table, uh, our art software generated these types of surface plots for our data: biodiesel yield, catalyst dosage, and reaction time, and similarly so on in the next RSM method we have used. And this reaction is for this figure is sorry for biodiesel yield, dosage, and reaction time, and so on. These all are figures which are generated for the data, actually for this data. So using this script, this ready-made script, you can generate such type of figures for RSM method used for biodiesel production. You can change the values here, like oil-to-methanol ratio was kept, the catalyst was the, time was kept as the, temperature was the, yield was the. So you can change these values in the script as per your demand or as per your results, and then paste this script, this ready-made script, already written script in your R, and you can easily generate the figure. I will provide this whole script in the comments section. If you like this video and found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.